Coca-Cola's story begins in 1886, not in a boardroom, but in an Atlanta pharmacy. John Stith Pemberton, a Civil War veteran, sought a remedy for the exhaustion and headaches of modern life. Inspired by the popular French drink Vin Mariani, a mix of wine and coca leaf, Pemberton created his own version, Pemberton's French wine coca. But with Atlanta's prohibition laws, he was forced to invent a non-alcoholic alternative. This led to a new syrup, mixed with carbonated water, and first sold at Jacobs's Pharmacy for 5 cents a glass. Pemberton marketed it as a brain tonic, promising to invigorate the mind and calm the nerves. The name Coca-Cola was coined by his bookkeeper Frank M. Robinson, who also designed the iconic script logo. In its first year, sales were modest, just 9 drinks a day. Yet this humble medicinal tonic would soon outgrow its pharmacy roots. What began as a health elixir was on its way to becoming a global icon. The world's most famous soft drink was born from a pharmacist's quest for relief. Coca-Cola's journey had just begun. The original Coca-Cola formula was built on 2 key ingredients, coca leaf and cola nut. The coca leaf, then celebrated for its medicinal properties, provided a small dose of cocaine, common and legal at the time. The cola nut, from West Africa, added caffeine, making the drink both stimulating and energizing. This combination was marketed as a remedy for exhaustion and mental fatigue. Sugar, caramel, and a secret blend of oils and spices, known as Merchandise 7X, gave Coca-Cola its unique taste. Unlike other patent medicines, Coca-Cola was actually enjoyable to drink. The presence of cocaine wasn't hidden, it was a selling point, promising a real tonic effect. In an era before strict regulations, such ingredients were seen as proof of effectiveness. Coca-Cola blurred the line between medicine and refreshment, setting itself apart from bitter competitors. It was a product of its time, stimulating, sweet, and just a little bit mysterious. The late 1800s were the heyday of patent medicines. Secret formulas sold with bold claims and little oversight. Coca-Cola fit right in, promoted as a brain tonic and cure for headaches, neuralgia, and exhaustion. Advertisements promised relief from the stresses of modern life. Sold at soda fountains inside pharmacies, it was both a medicine and a treat. Its pleasant taste made it stand out from other remedies. People could enjoy it for health or simply for pleasure. This dual identity broadened its appeal far beyond typical medicines. The pharmacy setting lent it credibility, while the taste made it popular. Coca-Cola became a respectable, non-alcoholic alternative in a changing society. As the 20th century dawned, cocaine's reputation soured. Reports of addiction and health risks filled newspapers, turning public opinion against the drug. Sensational stories and racial fears fueled a moral panic, pushing for stricter drug laws. Coca-Cola's association with cocaine became a liability for a brand seeking mainstream respectability. The company faced a crossroads: keep the controversial ingredient or adapt to survive. Mounting pressure from the public, media, and lawmakers made the choice clear. To protect its future, Coca-Cola had to remove cocaine from its formula. The drink's identity would shift from medicinal tonic to wholesome refreshment. The era of the cocaine-laced beverage was ending. Coca-Cola was ready to reinvent itself for a new century. Around 1903, Coca-Cola quietly removed cocaine from its formula, using spent coca leaves stripped of the drug. This allowed the company to keep its name and flavor while shedding controversy. The change came just before the Pure Food and Drug Act of 1906, which demanded honest labeling and curbed wild health claims. By acting early, Coca-Cola avoided legal trouble and positioned itself as a responsible brand. The company still uses decoconized coca leaves, processed at a special New Jersey plant, to preserve its signature taste. The transition was seamless, no public announcement, just a shift in marketing. Coca-Cola moved away from medicinal promises, focusing on refreshment and fun. The taste remained familiar, thanks to the secret flavor blend. This strategic pivot helped Coca-Cola leave its controversial past behind. The drink was now ready to conquer the mainstream. John Pemberton invented Coca-Cola, but Asa Candler made it a national sensation. Candler bought the formula in 1888 and unleashed a wave of innovative marketing. He distributed free coupons, plastered the logo everywhere, and made Coca-Cola a household name. Branding was relentless. Calendars, clocks, and even serving trays carried the iconic script. Candler expanded distribution, encouraging bottling so Coca-Cola could reach beyond soda fountains. The contoured bottle, introduced in 1916, set the brand apart from imitators. Coca-Cola became portable, accessible, and instantly recognizable. The company shifted from selling a tonic to selling an experience. Candler's vision and marketing genius transformed a pharmacy remedy into a cultural icon. Coca-Cola's story is not just about a drink, it's the story of modern marketing. From brain tonic to global symbol, Coca-Cola's journey is a testament to the power of reinvention.